All right, the Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Devendra Fadnavis, has arrived at the BJP headquarters. He's also going to soon take out the victory parade. Let me go across to my colleague Arunil, who's joining us live from there. Over to you, Arunil.
Well, that is right. What we can see at the BJP headquarters, it is a show of strength by the BJP. Show of strength by Devendra Fadnavis as well. This is Steve Devendra Fadnavis on stage. Basically, on one side is Amit Satam, the Mumbai BJP chief. Also, there is Ravindra Chavan, Maharashtra BJP chief. Right on the side, Maharashtra is that the regional satraps are now over. The Pawars had challenged them in so-called strongholds of Pimpri-Chinchwad and Pune. The BJP has trounced them. The BJP has beaten the Congress party in Nagpur. The Thakres came together after 20 years of saying they have come together for Marathi and the BJP has defeated and checkmate the Thakres as well in the financial capital of the country. This is clear elevation of Devendra Fadnavis as a leader of the BJP, at least in Maharashtra politics is concerned. This is the same man who was the chief minister at one point of time. Then he was relegated to be the deputy CM and then again has become the chief minister, and now he has led the BJP to a historic victory in Mumbai. First time.
Okay, all right. Let me also go across to Nilesh. Nilesh, I think once again everybody is going to be reminded of what Devendra Fadnavis said. मैं समंदर हूँ, मैं लौट के आऊंगा, and he is back. First in the assembly elections, and now not just BMC but the municipal corporation elections across the state of Maharashtra. Okay, all right. It seems that perhaps Nilesh is not able to hear. The celebrations are underway at the BJP headquarters where the Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Devendra Fadnavis, has arrived. He's also going to take out a victory parade surrounded by BJP leaders there, showing the victory sign. Let me try and go across to Arunil. Arunil, Devendra Fadnavis said, "मैं समंदर हूँ, लौट कर आऊंगा." He fulfilled his promise in the assembly elections, and now BMC and the municipal corporation elections across Maharashtra. He is back.
Well, certainly, yes, rousing celebrations can be seen at the BJP Mumbai headquarters. You can see basically Devendra Fadnavis with his entire team. Ravindra Chavan, who's the Maharashtra BJP chief. There is Amit Satam as well, the Mumbai BJP chief, along with him. Basically, it also showcases that how the position or the stature of Devendra Fadnavis has elevated in Maharashtra politics. This is the same man, as you were rightly pointing out, had told Uddhav Thackeray when he was in the opposition that मैं समंदर हूँ, मैं लौट कर आऊंगा, and then later on also he was not made the chief minister directly. He had to take the deputy CM post, and then he led BJP to a massive landslide victory in the state elections and became the CM. Now is a historic victory in BMC as well. BMC, which has a budget more than rupees 75,000 crore, a budget which is more than many of these states in India, smaller states in India. First time now BJP will be having a mayor in Mumbai. Several key positions like the standing committee chairman, which controls the finances of the BMC, will be with the BJP now. And Fadnavis had said this, that there are 29 municipal corporation elections in Maharashtra. We are confident of winning 26. Exact number Fadnavis